What's up people, today we are going to talk about best washable kitchen rugs you can buy. The following listing is based on the research done by me and I selected the high quality and consumer satisfaction products. Just to let you guys know, links for checking the product price is in the description. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. First one in the list is Secret C Collection Small Area Rug. It is a hand-finished area rug and is made in Turkey. This area rug is super easy to wash, fold, store and use over and over. One thing about this rug I like is it can be used both sides, each with a different pattern. The rug is available in different sizes, you just have to remember to machine wash in cold water with similar colors. Let it hang dry. Use a cool iron to remove wrinkles if needed. Next one in the list is Contemporary Reversible Indoor Area Rug. This handmade colorful rug is perfect for your kitchen. It's made from recycled fabrics. It's a double-sided for longer life. This area rug is long-lasting and stands up to wear and tear. Use of a rug liner between flooring or carpeted surfaces is highly recommended to help prevent transfer of colors. There are different design and different colors available. You can buy what suits best for your kitchen. Next in the list is Lee Van Area Rug. This super soft texture rug not only does it promise sublime underfoot comfort, but it gives fabulous look to the room. It has Nonskid latex backing topped with a printed personalized graphic-inspired pattern. This rug is easy to clean and eco-friendly. Gentle machine washing and vacuum regularly is recommended. It's available in rectangular or circle size. Next one in the list is well-woven non-skid slip antibacterial rug. This red rug is awesome in terms of color and design. It has latex rubber backing prevents slipping and make this rug perfect for high-traffic areas. It is 100% nylon, dense woven as well as antibacterial and mold resistant. It's recommended to wash in machine with cold water and tumble dry on low setting. There are many sizes available to buy, check out which suits your kitchen well. Last but not least in the list is Maples Rugs Kitchen Eliza Washable Rug. The Maples Rugs Eliza Collection will be a transitional update to your current home decor. It is available in non-skid latex or floor protection backing and is available in different sizes. This rug is 100% nylon for better stain resistance and durability. It's a lightweight and is machine washable. So what are you waiting for? Go check which size fits better for your kitchen. So that is it for this video, we'll see you in another one. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe the channel, bye.